Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here. A couple of days ago, I saw this video and I thought the drawings looked so simple but so professional, and it looked so fun to draw it. Is it actually as easy as it seems to draw? We will see, because I really want to try it out. I have this sketchbook with watercolor paper, and I'm having this sketchbook since 2017. It's a very old one, so I think it's about time when I complete it. But first we need references. I'm not much into fashion or walkways, runways, all that kind of stuff, but I am a K-pop girly. So I thought I could use idols' outfits as references for these drawings. I realized that I don't have a black brush pen or a black marker or anything like that, but nothing's gonna stop us, so I'm gonna use an ink and a brush. Usually I would first lay down a sketch, but since the author of the original video didn't use any sketch, we also won't. I decided to start with this outfit. By the way, feel free to join me. You don't have to draw Hyunjin. You can choose anyone. I'm so scared to mess this up. Fun fact, when I just started listening to K-pop and discovered my love for Hyunjin, I didn't want to draw him because I wasn't so confident in my drawing skills, and I knew that I would probably mess the drawings of him so badly, so I didn't draw him for a while. But then at some point I gained some confidence and made some pretty decent drawings of him. So I added a couple of details and I think it doesn't look as bad as it was in the beginning. I also have to admit that the drawing process was really quick. Like, I spent less than 10 minutes on this drawing, and I think the more I practice, the better I'll get at it, obviously. So let's try another one. Now let's go for this one. It's not a full body, but I think I can come up with something for his shoes. And I really like the mood of this outfit. So let's do this. Wanna know something funny? It's a brush pen. I found it while cleaning up after I finished my drawings. It is so much more easy and practical to use it instead of a brush with an ink. Yeah, but that's okay. It was a good experience, good for practice, good for growing skills. And I'm glad that I do have a brush pen. Maybe I'll use it later when I'm in the mood for similar drawings again. Maybe not. We'll see. As I assumed, it was actually fun to make these fashionable illustrations. At first, I wasn't super confident with it, but I think it's okay. The more you practice, the more skill and confidence you gain. It is totally worth trying it, so if you don't know what to draw, now you know. I think that's it for this video. I hope it was entertaining and maybe inspiring for you. Thank you so much for watching. Create and enjoy. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!